Is the wind descending from the mountains and taming itself in the blooming hills of cherry trees that caresses the feeling of this land without borders. Veneto, a diverse land that has made a meeting point of its diversity. And it is precisely in this geographical line of broad beauty that the Veneto region is represented by its project of tourism without borders. It is here in this territorial belt where the earth meets the sea, where the waves kiss the beaches to the rhythm of the moon, in the comfort of solid and irreversible unions. It is here that different elements concur to the birth of emotions and unique experiences. Bibione, Caorle, Eraclea, Jesolo, Cavallino, Lido di Venezia, Sottomarina and Rosalina become a place for tourism without borders, where sensations and feelings arise for everyone and without barriers. From these places of peace and well-being sprouts the idea of a tourism that welcomes, helps, guides, guarantees, and seals the bond of humanity and diversity. A tourism of the senses, but also a tourism of sense, that serenity, happiness, beauty can be shared. And it is still the wind that pushes our legs on wheels with bright colors, and eyes on wings of words, and words on movements of hands and fingers, to tell and share the beauty and history of villas and landscapes, of nature and friendly, warm, soothing waters, and scents of pine trees, a region that has kept in its heart of stone and water the gift of hospitality. It is the wind, it is Veneto, that will bring our words, but also our gesture as a gift to tomorrow and to the others who will visit these lands.